It's another good news for Ghana as the collapsed Abosso Glass Factory in the western region is scheduled to be revived. The Ghanaian glass factory located in the Prestia Huni Valley district was once a vibrant company that manufactured and supplied millions of glasses and bottles for the beverage industry in Ghana and beyond. However, the factory has for about 2 decades been closed and has not been operating for so many years due to lack of machinery, maintenance and capital. So, stick to this video as we highlight the government's preparation towards the revival of this mega enterprise, what this means for the Ghanaian industrialization agenda, and all the information surrounding its revival. Before we begin, as always, I would appreciate a like on this video and subscribe to this channel. Let's get right into it. The Georg Distilleries Company Limited has announced the takeover of the Abosso Glass Factory, which is currently struggling to operate. As earlier stated, the Abosso Glass Factory is a glass company located in Aboso, a town near Takwa, which is the capital of the Wasa West district in the western region of Ghana. The company was set up by Ghana's first president, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, on the 5th of February 1966 and was established to a cost of about today's equivalent of 9 million Ghana cedis. The glass factory had a yearly output of 18 million bottles, 2 million units of tableware, and 8 to 10 million square feet of sheet glass and louver glass. The company was a major manufacturer and supplier of bottles for the beverage industry, amongst many others. The Abosso Glass Factory employed about 500 Ghanaians in its early operations. Most of the employees were residents from Aboso and other neighboring communities. The company was renamed as Tropical Glass Factory when it was handed over to Mr. Gilchrist Olympio. However, due to financial constraints, the company collapsed. In 2003, Abosso Glass Factory was placed on a divestiture listing after the Electricity Company of Ghana ceased power supply for their works. The government in 2017 announced plans of restoring the company to its former glory, but not until 2019 was Georg Distilleries Company Limited declared as the investor and a takeover of the Abosso Glass Factory was initiated. The management of the alcohol company, led by their managing director, Mr. Maxwell Kofi Jama, paid a visit to the premises located in the western region of Ghana to assess its current condition and formulate a way forward for its rehabilitation, as Georg themselves were once its customers, purchasing bottles for its top-tier liquor brands. The Abosso Glass Factory was also serving companies such as Coca-Cola and Guinness, as it was one of the leading glass and bottle makers in West Africa. The re-establishment of the factory by the investor is in a bid to reduce money spent in importing the crucial raw materials from abroad. There is a huge market potential for the glass bottle industry in West Africa, particularly Nigeria, Burkina Faso and Ivory Coast. The manager for Georg, Efia Foriwa-Boafo, revealed. The managing director of Georg Distilleries also stated that it is our expectation to quickly rehabilitate the factory and start actual production within some few months to come. About the investors' capability, Georg Distillery is an innovative company which switched to the use of natural fruit alcohol extracts for the production of its alcoholic beverages last year. To capitalize on the abundance of fruit variety in the country, the company is the first modern distillery to be established in West Africa under the Industrial Development Corporation of 1958. It has over the years perfected the art of distillation, refinery, blending and manufacturing of various types of both alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. Taking his turn at the Appointment Committee of Parliament, Kwabena Ochredako Mensah, the Western Regional Minister Designate, disclosed that the government is supporting Georg Distilleries to rehabilitate the company to start actual production very soon. As we speak, for a company like the Abosso Glass Factory, we have supported Georg to take over the project and they are currently rehabilitating it to start producing bottles, he said. This industrial revival approach made by government in collaboration with Georg Distillery is very important, as this company established under the Nkrumah regime would bring additional production, innovation and employment to its municipality and Ghana at large. Any further updates on the Abosso industrial project would be given out on this channel as always. If you like content like this, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more of these. Also, check out this video next on this amazing developmental project in Ghana. Thank you and on to the next video. Be sure to check this video out.